You guys, it's here. Woo! All right, I love a good whiff box. They're not all the best. I will tell you, they're not all the best. This one's really good. Okay, I'm super excited about this one because there is an exclusive product that has never been released that I love. This and all the things. All right, we'll get there. We'll get there. So, Whiff Box, $35. Even cheaper if you order it through Scentsy Club, right? Just a thought. Just a thought. Ordering it through Scentsy Club is even cheaper. And if you add it on as a half-price item in Scentsy Club, even better. I was trying to whip that back the first time, but here we are. Okay, so you get this little majigger. Really, this tells me nothing right now. No one's even going to read that. I love it. Nice touch, but no one's going to read it. Oh, perfect. 'Tis the season for the reflective bags and the reusable ice packs, friends. Reusable, no sweat ice packs. They changed them up this year. They're nice. All right. Love those. So we've got Tahitian Twilight. Ooh. I don't know. Oh, this is the scent of the month for July. Oh, that's good. Kind of floral. Okay. Definitely floral. It's good though. I like it. Tahitian Twilight. Oh, mango matcha. You guys, if you've ordered this spring season, there's a real good chance that you got a thank you with mango matcha of some sort. I love mango matcha. I ordered like 24 of the scent circles because they're great. Pods, pink rhubarb sugar pods. It's good. Honestly, it's better than I give it credit for. It kind of smells like a candy. It's not bad. Ooh, Blue Grotto Twist. Alrighty. Love these. Okay, so keep a running total because we've got 6, 10, 7, ooh, 8. Okay, I do not know how to say this. Coconut and coconut. Okay. Regardless, people go bananas for this scent. I do not like coconut, but people go bananas for it. It's a good one. It was a special collection last year, maybe a summer collection. Sold really well, obviously, because they brought it back. So $8, 6, 6, 10, 7, 8, 15. Here is what I'm so excited about. Okay. All the things out of the way, because this is a mini fan diffuser, but it is not just any mini fan diffuser. This mini fan diffuser, open up. I don't even care about the box because I'm keeping it. Look at this. I'm keeping it. So first things first, comes with a little safety insertion that everybody reads. Then there's this USB cord. I will tell you it's short. I tend to use other USB cords unless I'm in my office, then I'll use this one. It's Cheetah! I'm so excited. I hope you guys are not watching this in the office because I'm so pumped. It's Cheetah, guys. If you've never had a mini fan diffuser, they're awesome. I gifted them to all of my bosses for Nurses Week this year. And I keep getting people saying stuff to me about their offices and how they smell. Guys, they're great. So these little dudes, one pod, just pops right on here. Fan under here that you can see here. And it blows scent through. You just plug in that USB cord right here. And then plug it into wherever. You can use it in your car, in your office, wherever. If you've got a portable charger thingamajig, you can plug it into that. It's not going to use a ton of power. And you've got a spare pod. I leave one plugged in my office. This is the one I've been using prior to today. And pink cotton, probably. Yeah. And it really does have a punch that it packs. There's sometimes I have to be like, push it away because it's a little much, but you can dial it back. You can get different scents. You can, whatever, guys. I love this. So this is a $15 value. So let me just show you here. So we've got 15, 10, 25 plus 12, we've got 37. So right there, we have already exceeded what you're paying for this product, this Whiff Box. So you're basically getting these two for free. All right. This is summer packed in a box. I'm telling you what, you guys need to grab this. You need to grab it ASAP because I really hope they have enough of these guys to go around. I'm sure they do. But still, this is only a June Whiff Box, so you need to jump on it. And like I said, if you're ordering through my website, the best way to do it is just go to Scentsy Club. Don't be turned off by the word club, subscription, any of that. Go to Scentsy Club because it's cheaper. You get a 10% discount, so you're knocking off $3.50 right away. You're saving $2 on shipping because it's $8 instead of $10 when you order through my website. And like I said, if you're already finding stuff that you love, if there are scents that you want to have sent to you on whatever basis, or products on whatever basis, laundry, cleaning, whatever, if you're spending $30, you're going to get 10% off, which you already would with this. But if you're spending $60, you get a half price item. You can get this Whiff Box for half price, and it is jam packed with all that good stuff. So be sure to check it out. I love you guys. That's why I share all these things with you. You're the best customers ever. Thank you so much.